of the funny stuff.
What did you just say to Mommy and Daddy?
I just say, I'm going to turn into a zombie and I'm going to eat you and you.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm a zombie and I get grumpy.
Because you're a zombie and you get grumpy. What do zombies do?
Eat you and you and you and you.
But then we wouldn't be here anymore. Who would take care of you? Oh, bad cough. Who would take care of you?
Maybe.
Yeah, right.
Dead. You can be dead and I'm going to be dead.
That's terrible.
And you can be dead and you can be dead.
I want to live.
We want to be alive. We don't want to be dead zombies.
Does everybody become a zombie when they're dead?
Yep.
No, they don't.
I'm going to zombie you and you.
I'm going to go to heaven when I'm done.
I'm going to eat you and you and you.
Don't you love what our kids teach her?
Mm-hmm.